We're here at the Hilton Garden Inn here in Erie, Otis Series 5. Let's go to 6, 5. All right, we're going to 5. Here we go. Here are 5. Let's go to L. Don't close this, does not work. Capacity's 2,500 pounds. Let's get a cat view. Seems pretty nice. Here, L. Send it up to 2. Let's get the other one. And the other one's here already. 6 is probably still locked. 1 to 5. There we go. Here are 5. Chime is glitched. Look at that. That thing was glitched. 2,500 pounds. Let's get cat view. These elevators are pretty nice for Hilton Garden Inn. Here, L. Watch it close. And that's it.